Assalamu alaikum grade 4. How are you all? Still we are in unit 16 ratio and lesson B equivalent ratios. So our learning outcomes for today to recognize and find equivalent ratios. Before we start, who can remind me what is a ratio? We explained it last week. So what is a ratio? Good, like 1 to 4. So what this mean? 1 to 4. Good. So this example tell us that for 1 from anything we need 4 in front of them. So for example, if we have 1 apple to 4 oranges. Here the ratio, it's 5 to 10. So we have 5 girls to 10 boys. So this is the ratio. Here, who can tell me what is the ratio of girls to boys? Good. There is 2 girls to 6 boys. So the ratio here 2 to 6. And what about this now? What is the ratio of girls to boys? Excellent. It's 1 to 3. So what do you think, grade 4? The ratio 2 to 6, is it same like 1 to 3 or no? Good. So this is equivalent. So for example, 1 to 3, there is 1 girl to 3 boys. And if I say 2 to 6, this is same, because if you divide it into 2 groups, in each group we have 1 to 3. So this is same, or this is equivalent. So equivalent means equal. We can say that 1 to 3 is the simplest form of 2 to 6. So what we mean by the simplest form? Okay, let's solve this to know what we mean by the simplest form. What is the ratio of the green one to blue one? How many green? Count. How many green squares? Good, there is 4. And how many blue? Excellent, 12. So the ratio now, it's 4 to 12. Okay? Now grade 4. If I ask you to look at the rows, what is the rows? This is the sleeping line. Okay? There is the first one, green, blue, blue, blue. So 3 blue and 1 green. Okay? The second one also blue, green, blue, blue. So there is 1 green to 3 blue. Also the third one same, 1 green to 3 blue. The fourth one same, 1 green to 3 blue. So here the ratio 4 to 12. Can I say it's 1 to 3 or no? What do you think? Good. Yes, we can say this is 1 to 3 and we call this the simplest form. How, without drawing, how can we find the simplest form? 4 to 12. Okay, we have to think of a number. We can divide it by 4 and by 12 at the same time. What this number? Good. 4. 4 itself. 4 divide 4 equal 1 and 12 divide 4 equal 3. So this is 1 to 3. Here we have another example. Can you tell me how many green squares we have? Good, we have 10 green squares. And how many blue? Count it fast. Excellent, there is a 20. So the ratio here is 10 to 20. Now grade 4, we want to think how can we write 10 to 20 in a simplest form. Good, by dividing. So here, who can tell me? We can divide it by what? By 10. Good. And why you choose 10? Because 10 is a factor of 10 and 20 together. So 10 divide 10 equal what? Equal 1. Good. And 20 divide 10 equal 2. So here the ratio or the simplest form will be 1 to 2. So 10 to 20 equal 1 to 2. Okay? And how we simplify? Using divide. Okay, let's solve another example. We want to simplify 16 to 20. So first we have to think of a number. We can divide it by 16 and 20. Who can tell me number? Good, 2. But there is number bigger than 2. We want to think of the highest number. We can divide it by 16 and 20 together. Good, 4. Excellent. So let's divide it by 4. 16 divide 4 equal what? 4. Excellent. And now 20 divide 4 equal 5. Good. So this will be 4 to 5. This is the simplest form. Let's solve another example. 6 to 27. We have to think of factor, common factor between 6 and 27. What do you think? 3. Good. 3, we can divide it by 6 and also we can divide it by 27. So now we find the first step, we find the common factor and it's a 3. The second step, let's divide. 6 divided 3 equal what? 2. Excellent. And 27 divided 3 equal 9. Good. So now the simplest form is 2 to 9. Now this is your time, grade 4, to practice. Purple to red. First we want to find the ratio. Try to simplify it on your paper. Here we need pencil and paper. Then we will check our answers together. So how many purple? Good. And how many red? 12. Excellent. So 4 to 12. Try to simplify it. Take your time to simplify it on your paper. Then we will check our answers together. Now the second example. Gray to pink. How many gray? 6. Good. And how many pink? Also 6. Good. So 6 to 6. How can we simplify it? Do it on your paper. Now the second example. Blue to green. How many blue? Count. Excellent. 27. And how many green? 9. Good. 27 to 9. Simplify it. Remember, we're simplifying using division. Then let's check our answers. So this is the answers here. Purple to red. The simplest form is 1 to 3. And 6 to 6, the simplest form is 1 to 1. The last one is 3 to 1. Okay, now we have another example. Again, how many purple? Excellent, 4. And how many red? 12. Okay, so here the ratio of purple to red is 4 to 12. Or if we simplify it, divide 4, this is 1 to 3. So the ratio 4 to 12 or 1 to 3 are equivalent ratios. Now, what if I want to add more to this pattern? Okay, I will add 1 purple and how many red? Excellent, 3. So let's add 1 purple and 3 red. Now, what is the ratio? Who can tell me? How many purple? 5. Excellent. And how many red? 15. Good. So also now this ratio 5 to 15, also it is equivalent 4 to 12 or 1 to 3. So if we keep adding in the same pattern or same ratio, this gives me equivalent ratio. Now this is another example. Okay, I have 1 purple to 3 red. What if I add 1 more column? This is 2 purple to 6 red. So 2 to 6 is equivalent to 1 to 3. Here 3 columns, so 3 purple to 9 red, so 3 to 9. Observe grade 4 here. 1 to 3 equivalent to 3 to 9. So this is like I multiply 1 to 3 by 3. 1 multiply 3, 3. 3 multiply 3, 9. The fourth example, 4 columns. So 4 purple to 12 red. And here, what do you think? 5. Excellent. 5 purple and how many red? Excellent. 5 to 15. Let's solve these sequences together. The ratio 1 to 4. If I add 1 more, it will be 2 to 8. Now what do you think the next one? 2 plus 1 what? 3. And 8 plus 4? 12. Good. So it will be 3 to 12. Next, keep adding 1 to 4. So 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. And 12 plus 4, 16. So it will be 4 to 16. And the last one, 5 to what? Excellent. 5 to 20. One more example, 2 to 5. Keep adding. The second one, see the second one, like we multiply it by 2. So 2 multiply 2, 4. And 5 multiply 2, 10. So this is 4 to 10. The third one, like I'm multiplying by 3. So 2 multiply 3, 6. 5 multiply 3, 15. Good. So this is 6 to 15. The fourth one, like I'm multiplying by 4. So multiply 2 to 5 by 4. 2 multiply 4, 8. 5 multiply 4, 20. So this is 8 to 20. The fifth one, like I'm multiplying by 5. So 2 multiply 5, 10. And 5 multiply 5, 25. So this is 10 to 25. Now this is your turn. 3 to 2. The second one, we multiply it by 2. 3 multiply 2, 6. 2 multiply 2, 4. Now the third one, multiply by 3. Good. So multiply 3 by 3, what? 9. And 2 by 3. Excellent. So this will be 9 to 6. The fourth one, multiply by 4. Multiply it by 4. 3 multiply 4, then 2 multiply 4. Excellent. 12 to 8. Now the last one, fifth one, multiply by 5. So multiply it by 5. 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Good. 15 to 10. Okay, this one now. We know that the fifth one, it's 20 to 35. So to know the first one, we want to divide now by 5. 20 divide 5 equal what? Equal 4. And 35 divide 5 equal 7. So this is 4 to 7, the ratio here. Okay. The second one, 4 plus 4, 8. 7 plus 7, 14. The third one, multiply it by 3. 4 by 3, 12. 7 by 3, 21. The fourth one, multiply by 4. 4 by 4, 16. 7 by 4, 28. Good.